Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn something new and unique. Do you know what is the name of our today's topic? You got it right. Today we are going to learn about subtraction. So what do you mean by subtraction, children? Something which is taken away from us, right? So subtraction is also called as take away. Okay. For example, if I write that 53 minus 17 will give me an answer, right? So this is called as minuend. So minuend is always the large number. Okay. This is called as subtrahend. And this will always be a small number. Okay. And the answer that we derive here, that is called as my difference. Okay. So let us see what is the answer. So 53 minus 17. So 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. So my answer is 36. Okay. So as I said, 53 is your minuend. Minuend will always be the large number. We will always be subtracting from minuend. Okay. Subtrahend is the smaller number with the number with which we will be subtracting the minuend. And the result that we obtain, that is called as my difference. Okay. So what are the common terms which we come across in a subtraction? So if you see, we will come across terms like take away, minus, difference, decreased value, okay, less, okay, then subtrahend, minuend, okay, etc. So these are the common terms which we generally come across while solving a subtraction question. So whenever your question says take away, minus, difference, decreased value, less, subtrahend, minuend, etc., you can be rest assured that it is talking about subtraction. So from a given lot, if something is taken away, if something is reduced, then that is where we use the concept of subtraction. Okay. Now we are going to learn what are the properties of subtraction.